Yes, real quick. Yes, I found out today is Saturday. I found out Lowe's and Home Depot gonna be closed tomorrow because of Easter. So I went up there right now and got this. Look this, guys. I got the large size. Okay, this one is going upstairs in the attic. Okay, so I got to pull that down and go up there. So I got me some bait here. This is actually food. This will trigger them to the cage. And I got some squirrel killer bait right here. So I'm gonna put that in here and set this up in the attic, guys. I went up here the other day. I climbed up the stairs. The squirrel's just looking at me like, what the hell you doing up here? All right, let's get my trap set up here because I'm tired of this foolishness. All right, guys, I'm upstairs in the attic. As y'all can see, it's dark up here. It's dark outside. So I'm going to set my trap right over here. That's why I saw the squirrel that last time, just standing there looking at me. Yeah, I got something for y'all. So I got this huge trap right here. I'm going to set a piece of cheese right here. So, guys, they get here about 7 o'clock in the morning. So if I hear a big old bang, we got their ass. All right, so y'all stay tuned, man. This is a shorts video. Y'all stay tuned for the long video. I'm gonna show y'all when we catch one. Stay tuned.